Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm going to be reviewing the multifunctional digital voice recorder watch with Bluetooth. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you'd like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. I am really excited to tell you about our newest SpyWatch audio recorder. It's very easy to use and looks like an everyday fitness watch. The small size makes it ideal for children and adults. It has amazing recording quality, which is the highest we've seen on the market. Since you will be wearing this watch, this makes it easy to turn it on and off when needed. This recorder has a password protection, meaning no one will be able to access it without your knowledge. You can listen to the recordings directly from the device using the included headphones or from your Windows or Mac computer. It also has a very unique feature that we haven't seen on any other device. It can connect directly to your Bluetooth headphones so you can listen to the recordings discreetly. If your vehicle offers Bluetooth capability, you can even listen to the recordings from your car. These features make it one of the most versatile recorders on the market. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the multifunctional digital voice recorder watch with Bluetooth will come with. So if we open up the box, first thing we'll notice here, of course, is the recorder itself. So just from a plain view, there's really nothing obtrusive and nothing out of the ordinary about the physical device. It just looks like an average fitness watch. So I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side for just a moment now. So if we take out the little liner here, we'll notice we got a couple different things. So first thing is we have our charging cable. So this is what you can use to actually charge the device as well as transfer the files to your Windows or Mac computer. So saying that, we also have our headphones. So the headphones here, they do also come with a little adapter, and this adapter piece is very viable for at least playing back the recordings directly from the recorder. So if we open it up here, we'll notice it's just a pair of normal headphones when it comes down to it, and then it plugs right into this little micro USB adapter. So if we plug it in right there, what this allows you to do is on the back side of the recorder, you got the little USB slot right there. So you would take this in, plug it straight in, and from that point you can play back the recordings on the device through your headphones. So saying that, we also have our manual. So this manual is actually handwritten by us here at SpyCentre. It has all sorts of wonderful information which we definitely recommend you refer to if needed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you how to start a quick recording on this guy, and then we're going to transition up to my front store real quick, and we'll perform a couple tests for y'all. So saying that, on the right hand side of the unit here, if we can get it to focus in, so there's our power button. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds, and what it's going to do there, it's going to light up, it's going to say welcome, and put us right into our menu settings. So at that point, if we wanted to start a recording, all we're going to do is on the left-hand side of the device, we're going to press and hold down the menu button for about 5 seconds. So if we press and hold that, you're going to see it's going to immediately kick over to its record screen, and it will then start a recording at that point. So you can see right down here on the bottom, it'll also have a little timer counting down, kind of giving you an idea, hey look, I am recording. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take the watch up to the front store real quick, and we're going to perform a couple tests for y'all.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Okay, so here we are on a retail storefront, and we're going to go ahead and perform a couple tests for you utilizing the multifunctional digital voice recorder watch with Bluetooth. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the watch itself. So, how you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Doing good.
So this is a review received for Dominic in one of our retail locations. This is the second time that I've purchased at SpyCentre Security. Both times I was assisted by Dominic, and he was extremely knowledgeable, friendly, and professional. He took as long as needed to ensure that my needs were met, and now I'm a customer for life.
Perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take the watch off, I'm going to hand it up to Kenny here, and we're going to do a little distance test for you guys. There you go. Okay. This is a test of the audio quality at 10 feet. This is a test of the audio quality at 20 feet. And lastly, This is a test of the audio quality on the multifunctional digital voice recorder watch at 30 feet. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself. This watch is loaded with state-of-the-art features such as voice activation, time and date stamping, password protection, and Bluetooth playback. These features, along with the amazing sound quality, makes this an easy choice. We do monitor the comment sections on our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.